Today on Patriot Contraptions, we're building a sled out of pallet planks. This simple sled is for decorative use and not meant for going down the hills. So let's get right into the build and spend no time on the introduction. The important part about this is that we're using the planks and not really taking a lot of measurements. What I did do was I laid 4 planks flat on the ground and then put 2 planks tightly against them and parallel to them, as you can see in the footage. Then I laid 3 planks across, about evenly spaced, and nailed them in place. I then pulled out the spacer planks, which were underneath, the 4 of them, and put them on top. Now, because I'd used the spacer planks to keep the boards apart, that meant the top distance from the outside edge of the runners of the sled across would be more than the spacer planks actually were in distance, which means I can space those planks out and make it look very good and very realistic to an actual sled. Once I had the planks out and on top of the 3 boards, I then jigsaw cut a nice smooth curve on the top and proceeded to nail them down in place with some finishing nails. After the top planks had been nailed down, I decided that it would look a lot better if I mirrored the top curve with a lower curve, so I went ahead and cut that into the sled as well using my jigsaw. I also additionally cut a few sort of hand slots in the top part of the sled where you would normally put your feet or your hands for steering, and that pretty much wraps up this build. I then went and painted it white just to give it a little weatherproofing, and because at some point I'm probably going to put some sort of welcome sign or more decoration on this sled. But for now, it's a nice decoration for my front porch, and I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you a lot of ideas for what you can build out of pallet planks yourself. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It makes a great Christmas present for me just having you subscribe. So, until next time, Patriot Contraptions, signing out.